How to choose a keynote speaker. This is one of the most important decisions you're going to make for your event. If you don't have experience with this, please listen. My name is Darren LaCroix. I've spoken in 45 international cities around the world, but more importantly for you, I have been an event planner and I've hired other speakers to come in. You've got to be careful when you're doing your research. Number one, do some extensive research. Whether it's Google, ask around. If you know other people who've had presenters in, a recommendation is so important from someone who's worked with them before. Anyone speaker can put anything on their bio or spreadsheet. You just never know. You want to check in with people who have experience bringing in this presenter. Are they high maintenance? I've seen celebrity speakers who, oh my gosh, they ruined the whole event. Yeah, they might have been a draw, but I saw one person, I won't mention the name, but a TV celebrity who was brought in as a speaker. They went over an hour longer than they were supposed to speak. It set the whole event off track. So even dealing with celebrities, even if you're paying big budgets, that does not mean they're going to stay on time. You just got to do your research. Do some vetting. And here's another quick tip, very important. Anyone can put together a hot, quick, easy 5 to 10 minute sizzle reel. You want to ask for a whole presentation. You want to see that you can keep them engaged, that the speaker can keep the audience engaged for the whole 45 minutes or 1 hour, however long you're going to have them speak. So you want to see an unedited, complete video, because with edit, you can cover anything. You want to be careful with this. So do your research, look for a full-length program, and also you want to see if the presenter really is going to resonate with your audience. Sometimes we can love keynote speakers. Oh, they were awesome. But have somebody else on your committee or a coworker look at a video as well. It's so easy. And if a speaker doesn't have a video, be careful, watch out, get away. Make sure that the speaker is right for your event. And if it can tie into your theme, even better. So step back. What are you trying to accomplish by bringing in the keynote speaker? What is their intention that you have for them? And be really clear. Take some time, do your research, vet them before you choose. And the best conversation you can have is with someone else who's brought them in. Go to their website, look at the testimonials that they have, and then reach out to that person on LinkedIn or Facebook and ask them what it was really like to work with them. And if they don't say much, run. If they rave about them, then maybe they are the right speaker. Hope these tips or ideas have been helpful for you when you're choosing your keynote speaker. This is Darren LaCroix, and if I can help you out, let us know. See ya.